All right, so. Two model planes take off from the same spot. The first plane travels 300 feet due west. So it started, let's say here where it started. Due west would be that way, right? 300 feet. Landing, and before landing. And the second plane travels 170 feet southeast before landing. Southeast would be, what, this way? Which would be how many feet? 170? I guess I should put my 300 above, outside my triangle. Due west, southeast. So I guess southeast would be like 45 degrees, right? To the nearest foot, how far apart are the planes when they land? So we're looking for this, right? So due west and southeast, south would have been 90, southeast would be 45 that way. So what's 90 and 45? 135? Let's say it's 135 degree angle. So what situation do I have? Side angle side, right? So let's see if we can get 437. So I'm going to go x squared equals 300 squared plus 170 squared minus 2 times 300 times 170 times the cosine of 135. So we'll just put that in our calculator. All right, 300 squared plus 170 squared minus 2 times 300 times 170 cosine of 135. Then what do I got to do? Square root it. Second square root, second answer. There you go, 437. Simple. All right. Questions on that? So, you know what? I don't think I did my homework. What'd you get for number 1, Ryan?
16.5.
For what?
M.
M? You guys agree with him? 16.5? Yes? Let's see, I might have it from last year. I have it done. I was going to do it yesterday. I started grading some exams. Too many papers for this too. Gotta get rid of some. I don't think I have it. All right. So did you guys agree with Ryan on the M is 16.5? You did? Olivia, you did? Max, you did? Yep. All right. What's angle? Which one will we go for next? L, right? Use the law of sine. What's angle L, Ryan? You didn't finish?
No. I have to do the log sign up there.
28.7? That's what Kennedy said.
Okay.
So what's N then, Kennedy?
57.3.
57.3. Any questions? That's a side angle sidewall. All right. Number 3, Zach Blag, what'd you get for side M?
Number 3.
Yeah.
28.8.
You guys agree? No? Cole? Yeah. Sammy? You got 28.8? Max?
Yeah.
Jordan did? Oh. What'd you get? He got 28.8 too. I think it's 28.8. All right, so what's angle, the smaller one would be N. Kate? Oh, Olivia? Oh, you shouldn't be talking up. You get better grade. Cole?
49.
You guys agree?
Yep.
49?
Okay.
Okay. So then what's L, Cole?
66.
66. 65, 66, and 49. Okay. Number 5, Olivia. Wyndham. What'd you get?
L equals 43.5.
You guys agree? See some heads nodding, 43.5, okay? And then, what will we go for? Angle M next. What'd you get, Wendy?
25.4.
25.4, we good? Agreeing? All right. Which makes N then what?
117.4.
117.4. Okay. So those 3 were all side angle side. And then 7 and 9 were side, side, side. So we had to find the biggest one, which would have been angle M. Sorry, Olivia. Sure. All right. So since M is the largest angle, I'm going to go 15 squared, longest side, equals 7 squared, plus 12 squared, minus 2 times 7 times 12 times the cosine of angle M. All right, so we got to solve for M. So what's this, 225, 49, 144. What's,
Negative 168.
oh, thanks. 14 times 12, 140 and 28 now. All right, so 49 plus 144, so I'm going to do that. 49 plus 144. And then 225 minus that answer is 32. So I added those and subtracted over. That's how I got the 32. Now, I'm going to divide that answer by negative 168. And I get negative 0.1905. Now, remember, we're looking for an angle measure. So what do I do at this point? Inverse, right? So I'm going to go second cosine, second answer. You get 100.98. So maybe it's basically 101. We'll just round it to 101. Okay? So angle M is 101. I'll write that down. And now I'm going to go for angle L because it's the smaller of the two, using law of sines. So I'm going to go sine of 101 over 15, and then sine of angle L, and I think it was a 7, wasn't it? Thank you, sir. Yep. What I said, you too. Okay, so I'll make sure I was right on that. Yeah, angle or side L was 7. All right, so we go 7. 7 sine 101 divided by 15. And then I'm gonna go second sine, second answer for that one, because I'm using law of sines.
I definitely forgot to put my name on that. Alright, thanks.
So I get 27.3 for angle L. So angle N, I think that was the other angle, wasn't it? Yeah. So 27.3. I go plus 101. And go 180 minus that answer. And that's 51.7. Questions on side, side, side? So go for the largest for side, side, side. And then always remember, when you go from law of cosines to law of sines, you gotta go for the smaller remaining angle. And then add the two angles you got, subtract from 180 for the third angle. So what's number 9, the last one? Again, number 11, at first I thought it was a regular, but it was an area problem, so we're not worried about it. So you would have had to find angle L first. What's angle L? 16? 68. You guys agree? All right. So then we would have done N. What's that, Kennedy? 22.6. And then what's M? 59.4. Anybody need to see that one also? So, what's going to be on this quiz next Tuesday? Law of sines and law of cosines, right? So, law of sines, remember, sine of angle A divided by the length of side A is equal to sine of angle B divided by the length of side B, which is also equal to the sine of angle C divided by the length of side C. Again, you only do 2 of those, you don't do all 3 at once, right? So be given 3 measurements. You got to find the other 3 to solve the triangle. Got to do the whole thing, Cade. Car. All right. So it would be angle, side, angle. Angle, angle, side. Oops. Need an S first. Thanks, Cam. Yep. And then side, side angle, which means there's 0, 1, or 2 triangles, right? And then law of cosines is, b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of angle A. And then you just interchange A, B, and C depending on which one you're looking for, right? And that was side angle side situations and side, side, side. Okay? So you have a practice quiz to do for homework. 6 of the problems are law of sines or cosines, and then there's 2 word problems, which maybe one is law of sines, one is law of cosines, I think. So we'll go over this Monday, quiz Tuesday, and also Tuesday when you turn in your quiz, I'll give you the practice exam to start doing.
That's all. What? That's all. Mine. What? That's all.
Do I have enough? Not Bart?
Not at all.
You don't say, you know, you might know shape. You know, I really shapes.
I can find some Amari. But try to double has a little bit deeper on it. Or where? Without walking, probably walking up there and. I think they're both